kill the same fly. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Do not mind my nails. I'm getting them done around 12 o'clock. All right, babe. Gotta get these bottles made. There's no patience when it comes to my kids with their bottles. 2, 3, 4. What are you doing? Jansen. Hi. You want to go snuggle with mommy? Yes. Sayla, she wanted to ride her bike. She wanted to keep playing on her bike. We'll play later after nap time, okay? We gotta give Jansen a turn. Be ready to go, okay?
That's like 3.
Well, you want water and I'll take that. One thing about me, I'm always gonna have a candle lit in the house. Alright. This is when I get mad at past Candace. Just wash the dishes. Just wash them. It's not hard. Woo! How did you guys get out of the gate? You guys are like crazy skilled escapers. Like yogis or puffs? Yogis? Okay. Yogis or puffs? Yeah, yogis. All right. Everything ready for you. Yummy. Today, Jansen's gonna wear his cute little set that we got from the Mini Me Fit. And then Sayla, we all know she looks great in yellow. She's gonna wear her yellow outfit that I got from Target. We do some playtime.
Did you get the trash bag or what?